Hello everyone. So it's time to pack everything for the journey. So time is like 10:30 right now, and I just finished my work and started packing everything. It's almost done. Now I'll show you what all things I'm carrying for tomorrow's journey. Journey is to Maharashtra and to visit the heritage of India, which is the Ajanta and Ellora caves. Right, okay, I'll show you the things that I carry along with me. Okay, things that I'm going to carry along with me. Let's start with this jacket. So this is the Royal Enfield level 3 jacket. So this is a thick and solid PU material which comes with guards. This is the arm guard, and this is the shoulder guard here. And I'll show you. These are all the pockets to store mobile. Okay, this is the spine support. Yeah, this is a spine support. This can be removed. These all things can be removed here. So there'll be lining here, and it's hard to do it single hand. Yeah, these are the pads. It's very hard, tough, and can be washable too. Okay, the size is the gray color. Comes with good breathing lining here. It won't be suffocating in whatever temperature or climate you travel. Suits good to all weathers. So this is branded by Knox. This is the Knox badging here. So this comes with three layers. So this is the top layer you'll be wearing outside, and this is during the winter. So this will be the winter lining, so which I'm going to carry for tomorrow's ride. So I have to wear this. This comes along with there. This will fit with the zips. The zips are here. So these zips will go here. You see, this is the zip, and here it is the for the rainy season. So you can either wear this and then that, and again on top of it this. So this is the free size, so goes with any size of the personality the individual have. Okay, this is the jacket, and I would say it's really safety. This is safety wise, which is standard Knox certified jacket. Right, so the other day I showed you the tank bag that I purchased. So for this 3 days trip, I'm carrying out this is as a backpack. So I'm having one trouser, towels, t-shirts, and a winter wear, and few the things like paste and face wash. And here I'll carry a few emergency medicines and all, like for the headache tablets or digestion tablets or whatever things. Definitely there will be an issue with the digestion also, because the food that I eat at a regular time that causes issue here. So can carry all kind of medicine. So I have carried all the emergency medicines, fever tablet, no other things. Yeah, I'll carry a wallet here, and I'll carry the mobile here, and this is the headband. I bought this for 400 rupees on Amazon. This is sweat proof, so helps you not to disturb your the hair scalp, so won't be any kind of irritations and all. It is very light and fits good. Yeah, so this is my XOR helmet again, and level 3 helmet, which comes with all sort of paddings, and is a double visor. This is the sun visor. I'll show you inside. This is the protection from air, so when you travel fast, so the air will be blocked here, or the dust, if you travel in the dust will be filtered here. So you have other jacket protection, everything here. So this is the Axor Hunter. I bought this for 4,700 on a discount price, and these are the gloves that I carry. This is the all season gloves. So yeah, they are breathe free and definitely not for the winter season, but these are good. So this comes with a leather touch to operate mobile and all. Yeah, this is a good thing. And what else I carry? Yeah, let me show you. I carry a watch and a speaker. I'll be using it here all the time. So this is infinity speaker, gives a backup of minimum 2 to 3 hours if you use it on low volume. Yeah, this is the mobility of this is very good. You can carry it along with your inside your pocket, in the bags, and also tough. That's all for today. We'll meet you again on the next vlog on the biking. Thank you. Bye bye.